Hi guys, just a quick video. If you're looking for some free Halloween colouring pages, then come over to the christmaseverydayclub.com. Yeah, then basically it will bring you to the home page like this. It's got a blog and all that if you want to read some of these, but if you come down here where it says colouring pages, click on this first one here and you will get these colouring pages. Yeah, and all you have to do is click here, it'll automatically download. If you want it on PDF format, click here, you'll get it. You get all these. Yeah, if you don't want to download them all individually, just click this one, you get them all there, guys. Yeah, keep scrolling down. I've also got these, what I've just added today. These are Halloween characters, so you've got like your Frankenstein, your werewolves, vampires, mummies, devils, and more vampires. Yeah, so like just click here for download them, or click here. Yeah, feel free to share them. Feel free to check out our other ones as well. So if you look at, if you click here, colouring pages, or even freebies, click any of these little like small boxes, it will bring you to this page where it's got like your camping, it's got your space, it's got your 4th of July, it's got your Christmas gnomes, plus other Christmas ones inside there as well, Mother's Day, Easter, and this one, guys. Yeah, it's just a generic colouring one. If you click on it, it will open up, and then you've got like you've got Under the Sea. Yeah, so you've got all these. You've got your Queen's Platinum Jubilee colouring pages. These are very popular. You've got your soccer, which we call football over in the UK. Here they are. Download them all at once. We've got Cowboys in the Wild West. We've got donuts, unicorns, farm animals, dinosaurs, and Queen Elizabeth. Yeah, guys, so feel free to come and check out this website. It's called christmaseverydayclub.com. Search us on any social medias, join the forum, come and talk to us, and if you download any of these, yeah, feel free to colour them in, yeah, and then go over to the forum and share them, so we can all check them out and admire them, guys. Yeah, let's be part of the community. So that's it, guys. I told you a short video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if not. If you did. If not, give me the thumb down and comment if there's any themes you'd like me to create for you, and I'll put up here. Yeah, every time I upload them they're free, so feel free. Till next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.